Good morning, students. I'm back here with your Moral Science Chapter 11, that is Etiquettes. Good manners are like a certificate. It is possible to judge the character of a person simply by the way we behave. So, what are good manners? You are learning right from first standard what are good manners. Good manners are the possible it is possible with the good manners it is possible to judge the character of a person simply by the way he or she behaves. Man is a social animal. He has formed this society and has made some rules to live by so that there is peace and harmony. There are codes of behavior for every occasion. Etiquette teaches us how to live by these codes of behavior. So, in this society, man is said to be a social animal, and to live in peace and harmony, some rules are made in the society, and human beings have to follow. A person who has no manner is dubbed as uncivilized and uncultured. A person who is well mannered is thought to be cultured. If it is a pleasure talking to such a person, etiquette has nothing to do with being rich or poor. There is no special etiquette for rich and different for poor. It has nothing to do with etiquette. It's a quality of heart and is expressed in a way you conduct your life. Your etiquettes can be known the way you conduct your life. Not only can you judge an individual's character by his behavior, you can also tell what kind of family he or she hailed from, what kind of school he or she attends, and what kind of friend he or she has. This is very, very important, children. So, your background is known, from which family you belong to, which schools you go, what kind of friend you must be having. There are certain codes of behavior for every aspect of life. How to sit, how to eat, how to speak to elders, how to treat children, how to travel in a group, how to travel by train or plane, or how to walk on road, how to shop. Everywhere you reveal yourself by your conduct. But you have to learn the rules of good behavior. The lesson begins at home. Yes, children, the lessons begins at home. How you talk to your elders, how you help your parents, how you behave. Now, how to behave with adults. You must respect those who are older than you. You must address them with respect and use a respectful tone always. Never forget to use the word please and thank you whenever you talk to people. Don't turn your back on elders. Offer them a seat if necessary. Stand up to talk to them. Don't argue with them. There are many do's and don'ts that you will pick up and you go along. So, children, there are some points given that how you have to behave with elders. Now, how to behave with children. Adults too must respect children. After all, children learn everything from their elders. The children, whatever they say in the surrounding, in the house, they act. So elders too have to respect the children. You must show love and consideration for small children. Take their opinion also into consideration when you are discussing something, and always remember to wish them. Here are some pictures how carefully the children are playing with the toys of their friend. How to behave with friends. There is nothing as great as pleasant as a friend. You can be comfortable and familiar with your friend, but at the same time you must respect them, respect their belongings, respect their families. Take care of their toys and books you borrow. Behave well when you visit their home. It does not matter what he or she has or does not have. A good friend is a person you love and respect. After all, friendship is coming together of two hearts. Therefore, there must be love and loyalty. There must be always love and loyalty between friends. Now, how to behave with guests. It is easy to be a guest, but you must be considerate to your host at all times. Similarly, the host must be aware of his guest needs and comfort and try to fulfill them. If both guest and host take care of each other, the visit will be a time to remember with pleasure. See, children, in picture it is shown how the child offers snacks, gifts to the elders, to the guest. What have we learned? Your behavior is a certificate of your character. A very important point that your behavior is a certificate of your character. Social codes have been made by man so that everyone may live in peace and harmony. Behavior is a sign of how culture you are. To be culture, it is not matter whether you are rich or poor, it comes from the heart. Your behavior also reveals what kind of a family you come from, what kind of school you attend. There are ways to behave with elders, with children, with friends, and with guests. The most important thing you remember are love and respect to both elder and children. What do you think? Do you think you are culture person? What makes you think you are? After reading this lesson, you can write your own answers. Now, will you remember? Manners make a man. Good manners serve as a character certificate. Etiquette is expressed in a way you conduct your life. There are codes of behavior for every walk of life. Respect and love as a key to good behavior. Be considerate at all times. You can always learn good manners from others at every age. Children, I request you to read this lesson, learn hard words, and in your WhatsApp group, I'll be giving you fill in the blanks and some hard words. Thank you.